Students, today we are going to see few problems in diffraction of light plane surface based on the formula. Diffraction means n is equal to c by v, and n is the diffractive index, c is the diffraction of speed of light in vacuum, v speed of light in the medium. And second one, so based on the formula, diffractive index, the relation between diffractive index and critical angle, and n is equal to 1 by sin c. N is equal to 1 by sin c, very important. And next formula, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r. Based on this formula, we want to write n2 by n1 is equal sin I by sin r. Okay. So these are based on these three formulas. We want to calculate a few problems here. So in your textbook, third chapter, 20th problem. So in 20th problem, so question number 20. Question number 20, and here, see problem I am reading here. A light ray is incident on a light interface at 45 degree. So here initially is given incident ray. So angle I is equal to 45 degree. What is angle I? Angle of incident. Next, refracted, the symbol of refracted angle is equal to 30 degree. And you want to find the diffractive index first based on these two values. And diffractive index n is equal to sin I by sin r. Sin I by sin r. So substitute this value here. A value 45, R value 30. Now n is equal sin 45 by sin 30. So my dear, you note down this value. Sin 45 here, sin 45 is equal 1 by root 2. Okay, to trigonometry. And sin 30, note down. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this value substitute here and find the diffractive index. Diffractive index n is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2 by sin 30 1 by 2. And simplify this one. Simplify. See, n is equal 2 by root 2. Diffractive index n is equal to 2 by root 2, and numerator and denominator and multiply and divide with root 2 and root 2. See my dear, note down root 2 value here. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 value, and here n is equal root 2 into root 2 2. So 2 into root 2 by 2. So 2 cancel. Now n is equal to root 2. So root 2 value 1.414. So n is equal to 1.414. And next, further problem is given here. See what problem is given? For the what angle of incident will the angle between reflected ray and diffracted ray be 90. So further what you want to do is, here angle R means diffracted ray R is equal to 90 minus I. R is equal to diffracted ray R is equal to 90 minus A. See first here what you want to do is n is equal formula. Sin I by sin R. N refractive index, I incident ray or refracted ray here. Substitute this value here. What about N value? Refractive index of N value 1.414 is equal sin I by what about sin R? Sin 90 minus I. So as for trigonometry, sin 90 minus I, you want to write sin I by cos I is equal 1.414. Sin 90 minus sin ila rastunnamu cos I. Now sin I by cos I is equal tan I. You write down sin I by cos I is equal tan I. So when tan I is equal tan 54.7, we say for tan value in the logarithm, tan 54.7 value is indicate 1.414. So like this we want to find. Now angle I is equal to, now here critical angle, I is equal to critical angle. Now you can see that C is equal 54.7. So now angle I told you guys, when angle of refracted ray is 90, then angle I is equal to critical angle. Now critical angle C is equal to 54.7. So you want to calculate like this. Okay, you understand my dear? So while looking the video, you must note down the values. Okay, then you understand that. And next problem is based on relation between, note down, very important for 2 mark question. The relation between, so what is the relation between refractive index, relation between refractive index N and critical angle here. So what relation here? N is equal to refractive index, N is equal to 1 by sin C. See the in the problem, few problems are given in the textbook. So first problem is fifth problem. So determine refractive index of benzene if critical angle is 45. So critical angle value C is equal to benzene. Very important. Benzene critical angle, note down everyone, C is equal to 45 degree. So this value is put here. Now N is equal 1 by sin 45. So here sin 42, not 45, 42. In sin 42 value 6.00. Okay, and right here N is equal to 1 by 6.00. If you simplify this 1 by 6.00, and N is equal to 1.51. So like that, you want to calculate the refractive index. So 1 by 0.6 simplify చేస్తే సో 1.5 ఒకటే వస్తుంది. సో ఇంకా సింపుల్ వేగా మీకు బిట్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. ఎలా ఇస్తారంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ బెంజీన్, నోట్ డౌన్ అంతే, నో డౌట్, అసలు చూస్తేనే పెట్టేసేయాలి ఆప్షన్. రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ బెంజీన్ 1.5 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. refractive index, critical angle of benzene. So these two values noted గా ఉండాలి. జస్ట్ మీకు ఒక ప్రూఫ్ గా నేను చూపిస్తున్నాను ఎలా వస్తుంది అనేది. క్వశ్చన్ లోనే ఉంది. Benzene critical angle 42 degree. You have to remember like this. Okay, this is a fifth problem. In the textbook fifth problem. Note down. Okay, textbook లో fifth problem అది. And next one. Next problem is fourth problem. We see fourth problem. Same based on the same formula. Refractive index is equal to 1 by sin c here. So fourth problem. So what is the fourth problem? The refractive index of water. Water refractive index. Refractive index of water n is equal to 4 by 3. Already I told you guys in Japan refractive index of water 1.33. Simplify 4 3 1 3 point 1.0 to 339 again 3. Okay, again 1 again you want to keep 3 again so 1 now, so 1.33. So 4 by 3 you can write as 1.33. 1 n is equal to 1 by sin c. You want critical angle here. What is the critical angle of water you want here? Sin c rearrangement this kind of sin c is equal to 1 by n. What about a value? Sin c is equal to 1 by 4 by 3. In 4 by 3 you write as a 3 by 4. Sin c is equal 3 by 4 here. 3 by 4. So when sin 48.5, when sin 48.5, the value is came 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే sin 48.5 అంటే సైన్ వాల్యూలో 48.5 మనం చూస్తే 3/4 వాల్యూ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు 48.5 దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది? క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. Now critical angle C is equal 48.5 my dear. This is also very important. You have to remember. So what is the critical angle of water? Critical angle of water is 48.5. You have to remember like this. Okay. And next one, problem based on refractive index. Refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. See the second problem. See the second problem. I am reading now. The speed of light in a medium, not a medium here, in diamond is 1,24,000 kilometer. So already I told you guys, diamond is a medium. Okay. Find the refractive index of diamond if the speed of light in A is the speed of light in air is equal to vacuum. Okay. Speed of light in air is equal to vacuum. Now we can say that C is equal to what is that? 3 lakhs kilometer per second. 1 second is 1 second 3 lakhs kilometer. 3 lakhs kilometer. Medium. What medium? V. Speed of light in diamond. Speed of light. Speed of light in diamond. So V is equal to how much? So 1,24,000 kilometer per second. See my dear, we want to substitute n is equal speed of light in the vacuum by speed of light in the medium. See, vacuum 3 lakhs by so 1,24,000. So 3 cancel, 3 zeros cancel here. See here, 300 simplify 2 150 2 6 12 2 2 4 2 3s 2 1s 2 75. Okay, 75 divided with 31. So 31 2s 62 and 3 1. Keep point here 0. Okay, 31 4. Now what is the answer? 4 12. Okay, 31 4s 124 here and 124 6. 2.4. Okay, now refractive index of diamond n is equal 2.4. See my dear, by head change Japan value. So diamond, why does diamond shine? The shining of diamond based on total internal reflection. So because of less critical angle, diamond has less critical angle and more refractive index. So what is the critical angle of diamond? Very very important my dear, note down everyone. Note down, the critical angle of diamond is 24.4 and refractive index of diamond is 2.4. Okay, now why does diamond shine? So diamond, shining of the diamond depend on the total internal reflection. So because of diamond has low refractive index and low critical angle and high refractive index. So low critical angle, high refractive index. So that's why diamond shine. Okay, this value. And third formula, third question in the next book. Third question. Refractive index of glass relative to water. N value refractive index of glass relative to water is equal to 9.8. Simple my dear. So what is the refractive index? So what you want to do? N is equal to 9/8. No, 9/8. Here glass to water. Now refractive index N reciprocal. Water to glass is reciprocal of this one, 8/9. 9. So like that you want to calculate the formulas here.